In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Binance app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to know which is the right Binance app to download for your Android smartphone, then let me show you. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Android smartphone and tap on Play Store. From Play Store, you'll see we have a search function here or up here. Go ahead and tap on it. From this, search Binance, and as you can see, we have this first pop-up Binance here. If you go ahead and tap on it, you'll find some details here. Now, at the time of recording this, you can see this app has over 3 million reviews with a 4.7 rating, and the app is about 120 MBs, and it has over 100 million downloads. When it comes to the app, you can see the logo, and this is the company Binance Niche that offers this app. And here at the description, Binance buy Bitcoin and crypto. Now to install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin the installation process. And then once the download is done, it will install it. Once the installation is done, now you can go ahead and open. Alternatively, if you go back to your apps, you can see now we have Binance app on your phone. If you tap on it, this is the opening interface. You can now sign in and start using this Binance app. So that's how you can download and install Binance app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.